When did you realize that you've fallen in love with him?
So he saw कि मेरे हाथ में BBM है, BlackBerry है, तो he reached out to our common friend saying यार वो कौन थी लड़की उसके पास BlackBerry है उसका पिन दे. I had actually not even seen him. Like there was no dating, there was no like let's go out, let's see what is happening, and all my friends were like this is a recipe for disaster.
There was a lot of chatter about the ring. I still don't know the engagement ring of yours.
What chatter? And I think this was a very special video for me.
How did you meet your partner?
We met through a common friend.
Common friend. And when did you realize that you've fallen in love with him?
Much later actually. We met through a common friend, and उस time पे we were both on BlackBerry messengers. Like I had
BBM.
a BlackBerry, yeah, BBM. तो अगर किसी को पता ना हो, BBM BlackBerry was a phone which was very viral when I was in college. और उस पे एक messenger होता था before WhatsApp and all took over the world called BBM. I thought that chatbot was way ahead of its time, dude.
Yeah.
My favorite part in that was कि there was an option of ping. कि अगर आप किसी को पिंग करो तो सामने वाले का फोन वाइब्रेट होता था. So that was great when you need attention. So he saw कि मेरे हाथ में BBM है, BlackBerry है, तो he reached out to our common friend saying यार वो कौन थी लड़की उसके पास BlackBerry है उसका पिन दे. And that's how we started talking, and I had actually not even seen him when we were at that common friend's Ganpati Pujanala आम्ही गेलेलो. We had gone for Ganpati Pujan. So lots of people were there. So I didn't see him. He saw me, and then he asked for my pin, and then we started talking, whatever. And then he asked me out, and I've still never seen the boy. And I was like, sure. Then I was like, okay, maybe now we should meet. Like there was no dating, there was no like let's go out, let's see what is happening. And all my friends were like, this is a recipe for disaster. I mean, who is this guy? Where is he? He's from Nepal. We have no common friends other than that one friend. There is nothing we have in common. He's a very different person than who I am. And all of them, even I thought, I said, this is not going to work. Doesn't look like this is something that's going to translate into anything. Well.
And here we are today.
Now I'm marrying him, so.
Congratulations on
Thank
that. So, is it happening anytime soon? Or?
It will, yes.
So, please note, it's going to happen soon. Let's pray for this.
I mean, I got engaged, so obviously it's happening.
No, of course it's happening. You said it's happening very soon.
I didn't say very soon.
Do you believe in नज़र की ज़्यादा अगर हम एक couple अगर ज़्यादा public eye में है तो नज़र लग जाती है? Do you believe in that?
I haven't given it any thought.
Never?
I mean, I've been oversharing my life on Instagram for the past 10 years. अब तक तो लग जानी चाहिए थी.
I have some photos of you.
Okay.
I'll show you those pictures and you have to tell us the story behind it. Okay? Wow. And yes. So this is while you have made your growth.
Okay.
So this is one thing which I'll also show it to the audience.
This. Yeah. What a heartbreaking scene, dude. I mean, I knew, I'd read it and I still cried.
Yeah. All the hopeless romantics can feel what Rishi felt in this moment. This one.
Ooh, this was when I ran the 10K at the Paris Olympics this year. Yeah. Which was also so crazy. The Olympics team ने mail किया था हमें earlier this last year. कि ऐसा ऐसा है, so they were doing a run for everyone who's not an athlete, like regular people like you and me. तो 10K run था, half marathon था, which was 21K, and full marathon is 42.
You did the 21K.
No, I did 10K.
Full marathon.
10K.
10K.
भाई मैंने टीम से बोला, मैं कहा कोई मेरे पीछे चाकू लेके भाग रहा है, मैं फिर भी नहीं भागूंगी. मेरा इतना मन भर गया भागने से, मेरे बस की नहीं है भाई. मैं उसको बोली तू चल. मैं रुक रही हूँ, तू चल. अरे so they reached out saying ये करना है. Again मैं मना नहीं कर सकते. हाँ करेंगे, क्यों नहीं करेंगे. जब तक डेट आई और मैं बैठी हूँ बाल पकड़ के, मैं I'm not trained, I'm not a runner. I mean I work out and I swim and I do all of that, but running is a whole different animal. Does anyone here run? आप चूज करते हो और आपको अगर रनिंग पसंद है, it's a very mental decision. क्योंकि आप I was very when I agreed to do it, मैंने कहा हाँ, I go to the gym, I'm strong. फिर भागना शुरू किया, मैं कहा what is this? 300 मीटर में बैंड बज गई. It's very tough. I didn't really train for it much. एक महीना I think I must have gone for runs every night. And then but I never run 10K. The first time I ran 10K was that day. So I was just very happy that I got through it.
You got through
बिना बेहोश हुए, बिना उल्टियां करे, because जो finish line थी ना वो 10K, 21K, 42K की साथ ही थी. And I'm seeing all these people. It's very tough यार, running a marathon. मैंने कहा भगवान जी, I'm just glad कि एक piece में मैं आ गई. And I didn't even run the whole time. Like I would walk, run. और एक 1 hour, 28, 30 minutes, whatever that was, I got through. And I was happy. I said, okay, great. If I ever had to do a run, the Paris Olympics is iconic to do it. अब इसके आगे मुझे ये दोबारा.
हाँ, एक बार ले लिया अनुभव.
बस
हो गया.
मैं जिम में ही ठीक हूँ.
So this is the one. Entrepreneurs.
Yeah, this was a really special cover. There was Masoom, Bhuvan, me, Carrie, Ashish. Ranveer is also there. Ashish नहीं था.
Carrie is there. Bhuvan is there. Masoom and you.
This was fun, yeah. It was just a cover shoot, and it was a big day because it's always nice when you see creators on the forefront. That's the engagement picture. Yes.
So there was a lot of chatter about the ring. I still don't know the engagement ring of yours.
What chatter?
Like people were happy and excited and wanted to know कि कौन सा ring है, कहाँ से लिया. तो पता नहीं. When I was researching, तो उसमें बहुत ये query थी. तो anything special? I mean, apart from the emotions and everything.
No, Vishang got the ring. I never asked him where he got it from or anything. But I love it.
Of course. Which is in the car right now.
It's in the car, but I like it. And I was putting moisturizer and there's one ring here and one ring here. मैंने दोनों हटा दी थी.
This one.
This is so strange. Bhuvan has become dad and I am the mom. And I think this was a very special video for me because again, I have been a fan of Bhuvan. जब मैं creator थी तभी भी, and he's always, I mean, is he the biggest right now? Hey, Carrie, and then I think, I don't know what Carrie is at honestly.
Mr. Indian Hacker, I think he is...
He also, I don't know what... Okay, but one of the biggest.
Yeah, of course, one of the biggest.
Yeah. So it was, so when he told me, ki, okay, we'll do a video together, I was very happy.
And here, look at you in this.
Oh God, this was 2016, I think.
That's his house?
It is, yeah.
Okay, that's a photo with Hrithik Roshan. So, was it an event or?
No, it was actually my team surprised me by taking me to his house when I crossed 100,000. 1 million or 100,000? No, 100,000. 100,000 followers on YouTube.
सबको ऐसी team मिले.
बताओ यार, सही में, I was so surprised.
He's your favorite actor, right?
100%, yeah.
This one.
Oh, this was us. This was
Jug Jug.
Yeah, we were leaving for shoot in Chandigarh for Jug Jug Jio. और मैं इतनी nervous थी इस time पे. I was also nervous because I was flying in a chartered aircraft for the first time.
Okay.
And I didn't know what that is like. So सब कुछ ही कि first movie भी है, धर्मा की film है. I'm traveling with like Anil Kapoor and Neetu Singh and Kiara and Varun, and I was just very like flustered. Yeah.
So, you look sort of nervous in this picture now that I see.
I was very nervous.
So, how did you get comfortable with them? How did you break the ice?
So, VD and I, we had actually spoken a little bit pehle Instagram pe, and he is hilarious. I love him. He is so sweet. He is one of the most genuine people I've met, honestly. Also, he's very aware. You can talk to Varun Dhawan about anything. He is very, like, he's very intelligent. He knows a lot about a lot of things. So, bade maze aate hain. He also has a great sense of humor, which I like. So, he actually made it very easy for me because then, and Kiara was very sweet when we met the first time. And then eventually I realized that they're all actually extremely warm people. So, I had a really good time.
This one, my personal favorite.
Yeah, this was when I was in DC. क्योंकि हम YouTube was shooting a documentary on girls' education with the Obama Foundation. So there was Michelle Obama, there was me, another creator called Liza Koshy, and one more creator called Tembi from Africa. तो हम सारे एक साथ बैठ के we were shooting.
There's a spark in your eyes, like so happy.
I was so happy.
Yeah. Oh, again, Ranbir. This is Shamshera.
Promotions. Haan,
Yeah.
I think I did a Real Talk Tuesday video with them for Shamshera.
I mean, you've done a campaign with Priyanka Chopra,
I did a video with her, yes.
and you did a video also.
Yeah. What campaign?
I think you were also on the same panel for the climate change.
हाँ, but वो हाँ. See, now that was virtual because that was during lockdown, I think.
Okay. So how do you look at her? She's an inspiration to
100%.
everyone.
I'll never forget something she said to me जब मैं पिछली बारी मिली थी. I think Citadel के time पे मिले थे.
I think Netflix पे ही आपने किया था एक conversation उनके साथ.
नहीं, that was Sky is Pink. उसके बाद अभी recently I think was it for Citadel? Citadel only ना latest I think जब वो आई थी India. तब I had shot with her. So I had told her, मैंने कहा thank you so much क्योंकि again she's like that. She hasn't stuck to doing just one thing. She made music. Then she was a model, an actor, music. Then she went on to production, where she started doing these things. और उन्होंने बोली कि नहीं काम ही नहीं मिल रहा था तो मैंने कहा मैं खुद बनाऊंगी काम. तो I started finding ideas and pitching and became a producer. Started doing things like that, which I find very inspiring. You know, तो मैंने उनको बोला I said thank you for doing this because you've kind of opened up those opportunities for people like me. And she's like, yeah, but why would you want to be like me when you can be like you? And that was so magical, and I keep going back to that very often. I was recently at a place where someone said to me that you're the next Chetan Bhagat. And I was just really surprised. I said, I've worked very, very hard to be Prajakta.
Yeah.
Why would I want to be anyone else? And I continue to work very, very hard. So I think that is what else. So she's obviously, I mean, she's Priyanka Chopra, of course. Very, very
To watch the
inspiring.
full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.